Hello traders, my name is Christopher Vecchio, currency analyst with Daily FX. Today is Wednesday, March 5th, 2014. These are your FX headlines as we turn the page to North America, and the euro is slightly lower despite some, quite frankly, better than expected data. Notably, we had the Eurozone PMI composite coming at 53.3 versus 52.7 prior. We actually are seeing that overall the Eurozone has seen some better than expected figures at the start of the year. Although the fourth quarter GDP was in line at 0.3 quarter over quarter and 0.5% year over year, that retail sales figure really surprised to the upside, and that is probably the most encouraging thing today. The month over month print was plus 1.6% versus only a plus 0.08% expected. That's the highest or fastest pace of gains overall, relatively speaking, for the Eurozone retail sales since November 2001. Regardless, though, the euro is having a little bit of trouble today. It is rebounding off the lows. We see euro dollar is still trapped within our range, range that's been holding price for the better part of the last 3 weeks between 136.80 and 137.70. We have had some breaches on either side, though. False break down to 136.40, a false break higher to 138.20. We're about 40 pips on either side. What we're seeing is that with the ECB meeting tomorrow, there's great potential for this euro-dollar range to break in either direction. For bulls, we're going to want to clear that 138.20 area, it having represented not just the recent high that we saw at the beginning of this month or the end of February. It also represents swing highs we saw at the end of December. So getting through 138.20 or so would really give confidence, I think, now for the euro-dollar move higher. Of course, the ECB rate decision is tomorrow, and we're going to get all the news and information we need with the press conference. That starts at 8:30 Eastern, 13:30 GMT. Tense focus will be on whether or not Mario Draghi believes that, or the ECB believes that non-standard measures are appropriate at this time outside of that normal rate cut. Now, we're talking about the euro here. Euro-dollar could really break in either direction. Same can go for euro yen, and euro yen is really of more interest to me given the fact that we've seen some of these fears come off the table, right? We're no longer talking about the Russian-Ukrainian crisis as if it's about to lead to war today. So now that we're seeing the euro rebound here a little bit, it's quite possible that if we get to this 141.45 figure on that ECB tomorrow, we could mark the next leg higher. We've been saying this for several weeks, though. It hasn't happened. Really just looking for our levels, and our levels for trades in either direction haven't been hit. I'm personally not a range trader, so I'm not looking to play these tight consolidations. I'm looking for those breakout moves. And tomorrow really represents the best opportunity for the euro with that ECB meeting. Again, I'll be covering that tomorrow morning, actually, starting at 7:30 Eastern for that 7:45 Eastern rate decision. We're going to continue on into the press conference that starts at 8:30 Eastern, 13:30 GMT. If I don't speak to you the rest of today, good luck trading, and hopefully see you tomorrow.